Number 1. 1995 Ford F150, price $4,800. This 2WD truck is powered by a dependable 4.9L V6 engine and features front and rear bench seats, staying true to its original work truck design. As an all-steel body truck with no bondo, it maintains its solid structure and has never been involved in an accident. Cosmetically, there is some paint fading on the hood along with minor rust spots near the tailgate, which is typical for a truck of its age. The front seats have visible rips and tears caused by a previous family dog, but the interior remains complete and functional overall. The truck starts, runs, and drives. However, it is being sold by the owner's uncle as a fixer-upper. While it is operational, he recommends mechanical attention before relying on it for longer trips, as it will need some work to be fully road-ready. Number 2. 1964 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. It is powered by a small block 350 engine with approximately 10,000 miles on it, offering strong performance and dependable reliability. The engine is paired with aftermarket headers and a dual exhaust system, giving the truck a deeper, more aggressive tone while also improving overall airflow and efficiency. Inside, the truck has been upgraded with a new stereo system and amplifier, along with high and mid-range speakers and a 10-inch subwoofer, delivering clear sound quality and enhanced bass for a more modern driving experience. As is common with vehicles of this era, it does have some rust in the typical areas, including under the doors and around the roof seam. However, the truck remains a well-running and appealing example of a classic C10, combining vintage style with tasteful performance and audio upgrades. Number 3. 1964 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800, powered by a reliable 5.4L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and dependable 4x4 capability, making it well-suited for both daily driving and tougher road conditions. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck offers a classic. Inside, it is equipped with all power options, providing added comfort and convenience, including power windows, locks, and other features designed to enhance the driving experience. The cabin offers a practical layout with ample space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile choice for work or personal use. This F-150 runs and drives great, delivering solid performance and smooth shifting. It has recently passed the North Carolina inspection, giving additional peace of mind regarding its current condition and roadworthiness. Please note that the vehicle carries a salvage title. Number 4. 1978 Ford F250, price $10,000, rust-free California truck that remains largely original. It has 67,000 miles shown on the dash and is powered by its original 460 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. This is a 2WD model equipped with 5.13 rear gearing, making it a solid and capable classic pickup. Finished in white with a blue interior, the truck retains all of its original trim and engine components. It runs well but has been in storage since 2022, so it will need a tune-up and a general inspection before being driven long distances. The wheels are in good condition, though the tires are older. It is currently running through the old fuel in the tank. The truck will need a new headliner and a thorough cleaning to bring it back to its full potential. Overall, this is a highly original gasoline-powered F250 with low indicated mileage and strong classic appeal. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet S10, price $8,000. It features a clean white exterior paired with a black interior, giving the truck a sharp and classic contrast. Under the hood, it has a mildly built 350 V8 engine paired with a brand new turbo 350 transmission upgraded with a shift kit, delivering strong and responsive performance. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades, including new jegs wheels and tires, a new transmission, refreshed interior, and a new battery. It is also fitted with Caltrax traction bars, a mini spool for improved rear-end performance, and dual electric fans to help maintain optimal engine temperature. Overall, this S10 blends classic compact truck styling with enhanced power and performance-focused modifications, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a street-ready build with upgraded components. Number 6. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,000, powered by a V6 Magnum engine paired with a manual transmission. This truck features a long bed configuration and comes equipped with numerous recent upgrades and replacements, including a new radiator, fan, heater core, a C-unit, brake lines, brakes, ball joints, fuel pump, alternator, and battery. It also rides on steel rims with tires that have less than 200 miles of use. Inside, the truck retains its OEM radio with a cassette player, along with a new headliner, upgraded speakers, and 10-inch subwoofers for enhanced sound quality. Additionally, it includes a full-sized spare tire. The frame remains solid, with rust limited to the rocker panels and rear bumper, and the dashboard has some cracking consistent with age.
Number 7.
1983 Ford F250, price $4,000, classic rear-wheel drive pickup with only 52,000 miles. It features a manual transmission and is powered by the legendary 460 big block gasoline engine. Finished in brown with a tan interior, it offers a timeless and rugged appearance. Originally purchased 9 years ago for hauling large items, the truck runs and drives great and is no longer needed for that purpose. The body is straight with no scratches, dents, or dings. The interior is in terrific shape overall, with minor cracking on the dash and a small tear on the vinyl seat. Recent upgrades include a brand new muffler, new tires, and a new battery. It also has a digital MP3 stereo styled like the original vintage Ford radio. Minor issues include a missing passenger side lock tumbler and a leaking brake master cylinder. Clean tags and title included.
Number 8.
1988 GMC 1500, price $3,500, equipped with a 350 V8 engine and 4x4 capability. This truck has 164,000 miles on the odometer, features an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline.
It comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior.
The engine had been replaced shortly before the current owner's father purchased it, with an estimated 70,000 miles on the replacement engine at that time. The transmission was replaced in 2008 and is believed to have around 35,000 miles of use since then. The vehicle was also repainted about 8 years ago. It runs and drives well, showing reliable performance both on and off the road thanks to its 4x4 drivetrain. While it does have a few minor dings and scratches consistent with its age, and the tailgate is slightly bent, it still presents well overall.
Number 9.
1975 Ford F150, price $7,995. It is equipped with a robust 467.5L V8 engine paired with a dependable 3-speed C6 automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and a smooth driving experience. This gasoline-powered truck runs and drives great, making it a solid and reliable foundation for anyone looking for a classic Ford with serious capability. Finished in an eye-catching green exterior complemented by a gray interior, the truck maintains its timeless 1970s character. The drivetrain performs well, and the vehicle is mechanically sound, offering confidence on the road.
While it performs well mechanically, the truck is ready for someone to take it across the finish line cosmetically. Number 10.
1997 Chevrolet S10, price $3,500. It has 184,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It features a burgundy exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline, powered by a 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual. This truck has had the radiator, clutch, slave cylinder, and brake booster replaced within the last few years.
The O2 sensors were recently replaced, though the dash light remains on and is being checked.
The air conditioning works but needs a recharge. It includes a Beltec lowering kit and a JVC HD radio/CD with XM capability. The floor pans and rocker panels show some rust, but the body and bed are solid overall. With its natural patina, bumps, and worn paint, it has character.